Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. But before we continue with this unboxing, I just want to go ahead and remind all of you, if you like my videos, all the videos that I post, or maybe if you don't like all of them, but if you like what I post, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like what you watch on the video, please give it a thumbs up. So now let's get into the box that we have for this month or for this video. It is the Sephora Play box for the month of January. This box here, it is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month. You are set to get 5 to 6 deluxe size luxury samples along with a little, what just looks like an oversized Ziploc sandwich bag with the Sephora logos on top. We used to get 50 points every box, or 50 extra points in the box that you can pretty much add onto your account on your next Sephora purchase. But now we're not even getting that. So I don't know what happened. They used to put it here on this paper. But now we don't get that anymore. So I don't know why they took that away. But we always get one of these. They always have different things in the front, and then we get our product information in the back that I'm not going to show you because then you're going to see what we have in the box. So I'm going to put that aside. And this is what I was talking about here. This is my Ziploc baggie that I call. It's just a thicker plastic. It's a little bit bigger than the Ziploc bag, but it's pretty much the same thing. So in here we have all of our products. So let's get inside to see what we have. I'm going to grab this one first. It is from Origins. It is the Dr. Andrew Wheel for Origins. Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So this is what the bottle looks like. I think we received one of these not too long ago, but I actually never tried it. Oh, it says soothing lotion or soothing treatment and lotion, but it came out almost like water or oil, like almost like a toner. That's what it reminds me, like almost like a toner. So it doesn't really say on here soothing towards what, towards redness, irritation, or anything. I'll wait to read the paper at the end, but this is our first item. I'm gonna grab this one here from Glam Glow. It is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. So this is it here. They have really good skincare, so I'm actually excited to get this in the box because it is about I would say about two uses in here. So that's actually not bad. And I really do like their masks. So I'm excited to have that one in there. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one here. And it is from Cover FX. It is the High Performance Setting Spray 24-hour wear. So I have actually used this setting spray. Or I don't know if this is a new one, but I have used their setting spray before. And I actually really like it. I like it too, because it mattifies my face. I don't know about the long wearing just because my oily skin kind of always cuts my, my time in half whenever I do wear makeup. But we have a setting spray here. I don't know if this one's new. It just says 24-hour wear, and it is a setting spray, and it just has a regular little pump, and then your liquid is in here. So that is our third item. Let's see, what else do we have? We have something that is not new to the subscription boxes. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. We have gotten like a bajillion of these before, so this is not the first time. I swear, like, I want to say at the very least 20. Ever since I started getting the subscription boxes, I have received about 20 of these. And that's not being, that's not lowballing anything. That I want to say about 20. And to get these, I don't even like this one. I don't even use it. I always end up giving it away. So we have another one. They took a break for a while, but I guess they were like, oh, we haven't put one of those in a while, so let's put it in there again. Here you go. And here, it's back. So put that one there. And we are down to one. Actually, we have this one and we have a scent. So we have an eyeliner from Kat Von D. And I actually really like this eyeliner. I've used it before. This is the tip. I've used this eyeliner before and I actually really like it. So I'm excited to have this one in here. I mean, it is a little tiny one, but it's okay. I have other eyeliners. You know, whenever I run out of this one, I can just move on to the other ones that I have. So another thing that I can actually use. And we are down now to the scent. Another thing that is not first to the box. We have received this scent before. But you know what? With scent, I do not mind receiving the same scent multiple times in different boxes because perfumes are expensive. I don't know about you, but perfumes are expensive. And I have also like a lifetime supply of these little perfume sprays. I'm not kidding. I have a whole box of these. So every time that I'm going to wear a perfume or I feel like wearing perfume, which is usually every day, I'll go and I'll just grab whatever it is and I'll just spray it. And I have not bought a perfume bottle in like, I don't know how long. I do have full-size perfume bottles, but I have a bunch of these and in all scents. Like, I don't even know how many different scents I have. But I mean, these are just awesome. So enough of my rambling. Those were all the items from the box. This one, I thought it was okay. I think they gave me items that aren't too bad. Aside from this one that we cannot get rid of. Aside from this one, I think all the other ones are actually really good items that I will use. I know they have different variations of this box, so let me know what you guys think about what I received. And what do you guys think about us getting this one over and over and over and over again? I know a lot of people like it. I don't, so I think that's why I'm like about it. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. So those were all the items from my box. So I am all done here. I will be back really soon with another unboxing, and I hope I will see you guys all next time. Bye.